और आज का ये वर्चुअल टूर है ऑफ महिंद्रा's brand new project which is called as Nestalgia. Now of course this reminds you of the word nostalgia and the reason is because यहाँ के जो घर हैं they are actually very homely and you will feel nostalgic every time you step out of the house and you will want to come back to the home. Now about Mahindra Life Spaces, we know that they have been established for a very long period, but about this particular project, I love the best part is the location. Now it is located in Nehru Nagar, जहाँ से आपको मिल जाएगी सबसे amazing connectivity because we all know that Pimpri Chinchwad area of Pune has one of the best infrastructures in the whole state, and of course the metro line that goes right from here is an added advantage. Now let me tell you something more about this particular project. It is going to be located in a total land parcel of approximately 3.2 acres, जिसमें आने वाले हैं 4 towers, जिसमें की होंगे 4 parking के floors plus 23 floors of premium 1, 2 and 3 BHK apartments. Now the 1 BHKs are completely sold off, but the 2 BHKs would be of 730 square feet and the 3 BHK would be of 978 square feet. The pricing of the 2 BHK begins from 90 lakhs onwards and the pricing of the 3 BHK begins from 1.26 onwards. Now other than the amazing carpet areas, the perfect location and the amazing amenities like the swimming pool, gymnasium, clubhouse, kids play area and everything else, I know what is the most important thing is that the money that you are going to pay. I've already told you the pricing that starts, but what is the best part is that once you come over here at the project, you will also get multiple spot payment offers. So at Property Cloud, it is very simple to book your dream home. First things first, you need to click on the link that's mentioned below in the caption. And once you've done that, you will be directed to one of our salespersons who will then guide you on how to do it, but will also take you on physical site visits with a free pickup and drop service. Well, that is exactly what Property Cloud does. First of all, we will show you these virtual sites and then we will also take you for the physical site visit. अब इसी के साथ साथ हम वहाँ पर आपको कनेक्ट करवा देते हैं सीधे डेवलपर के साथ, ताकि आपको कोई ब्रोकरेज ना भरनी पड़े और साथ ही साथ कोई एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस भी ना हो, और हम आपको देते हैं सबसे बेस्ट प्राइस इन द मार्केट बिकॉज ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज नो मिडिल मैन इन्वॉल्व। इसी के साथ साथ हम आपको देते हैं काफ़ी सारे पेमेंट ऑप्शंस और बहुत सारे स्पॉट पेमेंट ऑफर्स भी, और दिस इज नॉट जस्ट प्रेजेंट इन पुणे, वी आर ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट अक्रॉस द ग्लोब, not just in India. So of course in India we are present in major cities like Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Pune, Calcutta and many more. Along with that we are also present globally in UAE, Canada, Singapore, USA and other countries as well. So for more details all you need to do, as I said, is click on the link below and quickly subscribe to our channel ताकि ऐसे videos आप miss ना कर दें. Thank you so much. This is Ekta Kapoor from Property Cloud, your favorite PropTech service.